Hi and welcome to Math Tutorial Sessions channel. In this video, we are required to solve the following exponential equation. We have 3 to the power 2x minus 4 times 3 to the power x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now, the only trick that is going to work for us here in order to solve this exponential equation is to let 3 to the power x equals to k, meaning we are going to use a method which is called a k method. Right. Okay, now since 3 to the power x is equals to k, then here we will have gonna be now k squared minus 4 times k plus 3 is equals to 0. Right. Okay, let us write this as a quadratic equation now. There is k to the power 2 minus 4k plus 3 is equals to 0. Now we need to find the factors. Okay, we need to do what? We need to factorize now. Right, our factors are gonna be k minus 3 and k minus 1. Therefore, k is equals to positive 3 or k is equals to positive 1. Remember, we haven't finished. We haven't finished yet. Here we are solving for exponents. Right, since now we know that k is equal to 3 and k is equal to 1, therefore we will equate this k to the power, we equate this k is equal to 3 to 3 to the power x like this is equals to 3, or 3 to the power x is equals to 1. Right. Now we need to solve the exponents. This is 3 to the power x, which is equals to 3 to the power 1, or 3 to the power x is equals to, we know that any number to the power 0 is 1, meaning here we will have 3 to the power 0. Therefore, x is equals to 1 or x is equals to 0. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to Math Tutorial Sessions channel and also make sure you hit a notification bell in order to get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Goodbye.